I got, he's so cute. I'm gonna run some errands. Can you watch me for a little while?
No problem. Aw, you cute little puppy. You want a hug? Ah! Stupid little son of a bitch! Stupid little dog.
John, what did you do to my dog?
It's not how it seemed. I was just playing with him and he got mad at me and
John!
attacked me.